A very pleasant morning to everyone present here. With immense pride, I take this opportunity to welcome you all to witness the celebration of our 74th Independence Day this morning. This day in the history of Mother India is not merely significant for her attainment of freedom from the clutches of the tyrant British Raj. Perhaps it is the day when she began her relentless journey of self rule, self governance, self development, and thereby selfhood. These 74 long years have seen India reborn, reform, and resurrect to stand amongst the developing nations of the world, holding her head high. It is very rightly said that only after many thousand births and the aggregation of much merit that living beings are sometimes born in Bharat as humans. Today, on this auspicious occasion, let us yet again commemorate the fervor of patriotism we cherish for our beloved country. We begin our program by witnessing the flag hoisting by our PE teacher, Dr. Samir Amre, and I would request the audience to rise for the same. I would request the audience to kindly remain standing for the national anthem followed by the flag song.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा सदा शक्ति बरसाने वाला प्रेम सुधा बरसाने वाला वीरों को हर्षाने वाला मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा मातृभूमि का तन मन सारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा शान न इसकी जाने पाए चाहे जान भले ही जाए विश्व विजय करके दिखलाए तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा तब होवे प्रण पूर्ण हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा विजयी विश्व तिरंगा प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा रहे हमारा
I would request the audience to be seated now. India is a storehouse of diverse cultures. Despite the COVID 19 pandemic, The school being shut in the wake of the nationwide lockdown, we at PPSK did not forestall celebrating this distinct feature of our country. I'm glad to share with you all that we had organized online inter-house cultural solo singing competition for grades 6th and 7th. We had organized online solo dance competition for grades 6th and 7th yet again. And we had mono acting competition for grade 8. And all of these, they had patriotism as the theme. I firmly believe here that there cannot be a better occasion than this day to announce the results of these competitions. So, taking this opportunity, I hereby announce the names of the winners. The winners of the solo singing competition grade 6, we had on the first position, Miss Joanne Melvin, 6C Agni House. Second position, Miss Shrishti Mehta, 6B Akash House. Third position, we had Miss Gayatri Rajesh, 6C Chal House. The winners of the solo singing competition for grade 7, first position, we have Miss Shauni Khopkar, 7th A Prithvi House. Second position, Miss Richa Kulkarni, 7th B Prithvi House. Third position, Master Taran Joshi, 7th A Jal House. Winners of the solo dance competition from grade 6, we have first position, Miss Krisha Khokani, 6C Vayu House. Second position, Miss Ashi Desai, 6C Jal House. Third position, Master Om Murdeshwar, 6A Akash House. Winners of the solo dance competition grade 7, first position is bagged by Miss Anahita Thaleshwar, 7th B Prithvi House. Second position, Master Laksh Putran, 7th D Agni House. Third position, we have Miss Nupur Joshi, 7th C Prithvi House. Winners of the mono acting competition from grade 8, first position, we have Master Pratham Vora, 8th D Akash House. Second position, we have Master Arya Rathod, 8th D Akash House. Giving them a huge round of applause, let us watch a medley of performances of these winners.
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए दर्द सही महफूज रहे तेरी आन ज़िदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून का है तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू
ये देश है वीर जवानों का लड़बेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारों इस देश का यारों क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी आसमान के तले जय हो जय हो।
ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा। ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता। मिट्टी की है जो खुशबू तू कैसे बुलाएगा। तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा। नई नई राहों में दबी दबी आहों में, खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा। ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा, तुझे है पुकारा।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है, तुम भी कहो। हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। अरे या कोई मारे ना, यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा, थोड़ा अंदाज है। ऐसे हैं चाहे वैसे हैं, अरे जो भी हैं जैसे हैं, खुद पे हमें नाज है। जाने ना हमको ये ज़माना, चाहो तो हमको आज़माना। यारबाज हम, चालसाज हम, इश्कबाज दिल वाले, कहते हैं हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले। छू लेते दिल के तार से इंडिया वाले, हर जीत छीन ले हार से इंडिया वाले। दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले।
कारतूस में गाय और सुअर की चर्बी है, हम इसे मुंह में नहीं डाल सकते। आज तक अंग्रेजों ने हमारी वफादारी देखी है, अब हमारा क्रोध देखेंगे। ओ भारत माता के वीर सपूतों, उठो जागो और इनके खिलाफ आवाज उठाओ, जिन्होंने हमारी पवित्र भारत भूमि, हमारे धर्म, हमारी आस्था, हमारी संस्कृति को अपवित्र किया है। हम पृथ्वीराज चौहान, महाराणा प्रताप और छत्रपति शिवाजी जैसे वीर योद्धाओं के वारिस हैं। हमारे शरीर के रग रग में उनका लहू दौड़ रहा है, लेकिन इन अंग्रेजों ने हमें गुलामी की जंजीरों में जकड़ लिया है। यह हम पर और हमारे भाई बहनों पर अत्याचार करते आए हैं, फिर भी हम उनकी गुलामी कर रहे हैं। धिक्कार है हम पर। ले सकते हैं लोहा, नियत्ते नहीं है हम। भारत माता के प्रति प्रेम और समर्पण की भावना ये शक्ति है हमारी। जो मनुष्य अपने मातृभूमि से प्रेम करता है, समय आने पर उसकी रक्षा और सम्मान के लिए अपनी रक्त की एक एक बूंद देने से पीछे नहीं हटता। देश के लिए प्राण न्यौछावर करना तो बड़े गर्व और सौभाग्य की बात है। चलो, भारत माता का ऋण चुकाने का वक्त आ गया है, तो उठो और अपनी प्राणों की आहुति देकर इस युद्ध रूपी हवन कुंड में ज्वालित कर भस्म कर दो इन अंग्रेजों को। यह आजादी की लड़ाई है, गुजरे हुए कल से आजादी, आने वाले कल के लिए। हिंदुस्तान जाग रहा है, इसे कोई नहीं रोक सकता, ना आप, ना मैं, ना मेरी जिंदगी।
तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। हाय तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरे नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो वो
मैं गुलामी अस्वीकार करता हूँ और आजादी के आंदोलन के साथ आजादी के यज्ञ में होम होने का गौरव प्राप्त करना चाहता हूँ। आकाश ये है अपनी उड़ानों का, गुलशन है ये अपने अरमानों का, लहू के कतरे कतरे में गीत नया रह रहा है। अरे हम चाहे तो सपनों को पंख नए मिल जाए। क्या हो गया है तुम लोगों को? अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, दिखाई नहीं देता? जिस पल का इंतजार था वो पल आ गया है। वक्त आ गया अपना वचन निभाने का, वक्त आ गया है मारे या मर जाने का। तो उठाओ अपनी बंदूकें और लड़ो, लड़ो अपनी आजादी के लिए, लड़ो एक बार अपने आप के लिए।
सेकंड
मंगल पांडे, तुम्हारी कोई आखिरी इच्छा है?
मेरी आखिरी इच्छा आप पूरी नहीं कर सकते, पर वो पूरी होगी जरूर, और वो है आजादी की। भले ही तू मुझे फांसी के फंदे पर चढ़ा दे फिरंगी, पर एक बात याद रखना, हिंदुस्तान जाग रहा है और उसे कोई नहीं रोक सकता। न आप, न मैं, न मेरी जिंदगी।
Time's up. Hang him.
हल्ला बोल!
अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया।
Indians sacrificed their lives to get freedom.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए 100 दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
On 15th August 1947, India got its freedom. भारत को आजादी मिली।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
All Indians started living happily together.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Today, India again needs its freedom. भारत को चाहिए आजादी कोरोना वायरस से। So let's unite together and get our freedom against corona.
हमारी एक मंजिल है, हमारा एक नारा है। धर्म से जात से ज्यादा हमें ये मुल्क प्यारा है। हम इस पे जिंदगी अपनी लुटाने से नहीं डरते।
देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू। देश मेरे मेरी शान है तू।
We ought to wholeheartedly applaud all the participants for putting up such phenomenal performances. To conclude today's program, I would now request our principal, Dr. Pramila Kudva, to address the audience.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to address you on this occasion. August 15th, 2020 is an Independence Day with a difference, because it is for the first time that in the history of India, the schools are observing Independence Day online. Before I go on to the rest of my prepared speech, I must congratulate all the participants on a splendid performance. And I must also tell the audience that the entire online process has been done in-house by the teachers. So if there have been a few glitches, I would request all of you to graciously overlook them. Let me take you back to 1930, the Dandi March. Mahatma Gandhi planned the Dandi March the biggest civil disobedience movement to ask for one's rights. 240-mile walk was planned at the rate of 10 miles per day for 24 days. The British thought if Bapu were to be arrested, the civil disobedience movement will die a natural death. But they were sadly mistaken. Bapu was arrested, but Sarojini Devi Naidu, she continued the protest. She came out to address the volunteers. She said, Bapu is in jail, but his soul, his spirit is with us, and we need to carry on this protest. The British soldiers wielded their batons. They took out their guns. They asked the volunteers to step back. The volunteers came in rows. Webb Miller, the American journalist, was present at that time. And I quote him. They came in rows, and the British soldiers beat them up. They fell down without a whimper. And the next row of volunteers came with stretchers, picked them up, and took them to the first aid stations. By then, the second row of volunteers were ready to get beaten up again. This was the patriotic fervor that India experienced in the 1930s. We discussed with our school children, what has happened to this patriotism? And here is what they had to say. A little shocking, perhaps. They said, the patriotism comes to the fore on 2 days in a year, August 15th and on 26th of January. And they also said, if it happens to be a long weekend, then we may not see it at all. So this made us want to talk to them about what is it that they want if India were to get better, what they want to see in India of 100 years of age. And here is what they said. They want to see an India without corruption. They want to see an India where women are safe. They want to see an India where there is less population, an India with more jobs, an India which becomes a superpower. If all this has to be done, who has to do it? Each one of us is responsible. This brings me back to the power of one. It takes one tree to start a forest. It takes one smile to build a friendship. It takes one candle to remove the darkness, and one hand of friendship to lift the downtrodden. So each of us has a responsibility. Let me narrate a real life incident. Dashrath Manji lived in Bihar in a remote village. His village was separated from the rest of the civilization by a mountain. He belonged to the poorest of the poor and belonged to the lowest rung of the caste system. To get to the medical facility, one had to climb the mountain. And Dashrath Manji's wife, who was pregnant, climbed the mountain and had a fall. And she died delivering a baby without getting the medical attention. Dashrath Manji took it upon himself to build a road from his village to the rest of the civilization which existed across the mountain. Armed with a chisel and a hammer, he got to work. And people called him Pagal. They called him a madman. What is going to happen with you? Can you do this? And you know, it took him 22 years. He made a road which is 360 feet long and 30 feet wide. So the people of his village could now move across the mountain to get the medical facility. 4 years after his death, the government decided to make it into a metalled road, a movie was made on his life. A few days ago, Air India plane met with a crash. The pilots died in the accident. But what did they do before landing, trying to make an attempt to land? They circled, dumped the fuel so that more and more people had a chance of living. These instances tell us about the accountability that each one of us can have to make India a better place. Talking to the children, we also decided that one of the things that we need to work on to eradicate corruption was honesty and integrity. How do we do that? Each teacher, each staff member has to be a role model. Secondly, each student is made to fill an introspection sheet, which is a self-reflection. It tells a child what has gone wrong, what he should have done or she should have done, and what is the right thing to do. We have had minor successes. I would like to share 2 examples with you. The children were playing in the car park area. They were playing hide and seek. In the process of the sport, they broke the number plate of one of the cars that belonged to a teacher. Ideally, they would have run away. But now they came to the principal and they said that this is what has happened. We checked the number plate and we found out whose car it was, called the teacher, and the children apologized to her. And the teacher magnanimously forgave them. Another incident, we declared 100% attendance result every year. And this child was awarded the 100% attendance award. And after the announcement, the child goes back to the teacher and tells her, "Ma'am, I don't deserve this." "Why?" asked the teacher. "I was absent for a day." No doubt the child did not get a 100% attendance award, but she was given a special award for honesty and integrity. This is the tip of the iceberg. And also what we notice is that only girls were involved in the so-called confession. There is a long way to go, but we believe in the power of one. Each of us is responsible, and it takes only one to start a wave. Let us join hands and make India a better place. I end with a quote from Einstein. "Don't try to be a person of success, but always be a person of value." Thank you, and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. Thank you, ma'am, for such inspiring words, which have remarkably added to the meaning of this felicitous day. Now, I would request the audience to rise for the national song.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam Sukhalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Syamalam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Shubhrajyotsna Pulakitayamini, Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini, Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini, Sukhadam Varadam Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much, everyone, for being a part of today's show and adding on to the grace of it. Thank you.